Hey everyone, it's James from Fun Foods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these sea cookies. Now, this is a very special video. I've teamed up with MrBeast to be part of Team Seas, and what that is a nonprofit organization. They're trying to raise $30 million, and it will help clean up trash from the seas. For every dollar you spend, they're going to try to pull out 1 pound of trash out of the ocean. So if you want to learn more about this worthy cause, click the link in the description below. Or you can wait till the end of the video and just click the donation link and it'll take you right to the donation page. Pretty simple to do. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to make these cookies just to celebrate clean seas. So for Team Seas, we're going to start off by making these seaworthy cookies. Just need a large bowl. In that bowl, we're going to add 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of butter softened at room temperature, and 1/3 cup of sugar. Blend this together. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 cup of flour. And you know your batter's ready when you can squeeze it and it comes together. Now just turn our dough out onto some parchment paper and we're going to just form this all together. And you'll notice it's a very loose dough. Just go ahead and just make it into a big ball. Get all those pieces. Then we're just going to flatten this out, cover it up, and we're just going to roll this out until it's about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. Once we have it rolled out, we're going to cut our shapes, and these are going to be like rectangles. So I am going to cut this first part right here just to get this out of the way. We'll roll that up and cut some more out of that. We're going to cut them about that thick and about that long. Doesn't have to be perfect. Take the pieces we cut, put it on a baking sheet, and we want to bake these at 325 for about 15 minutes. So after about 15 minutes, we can pull them out of the oven. We're going to let them cool completely. Then we're going to make the frosting and frost them. Now we're going to make the frosting, and to do that, it's quite simple. Just start off with a large bowl, 1/2 cup of butter, about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, cream the butter until it's light and airy. And when your butter is creamed, we're going to start adding in some powdered sugar, about 1 cup at a time. We might need 2 or 3 cups total. It only took 2 cups of powdered sugar for mine. I'm going to add some blue food coloring to this and mix it in. There you go. Now we're just waiting on our cookies to cool down, and then we're going to cover them. Now that our cookies have cooled down completely, what we're going to need is, of course, the frosting that we made. We're also going to need some Swedish fish. I'm using red here just to contrast with the blue. And some yellow edible small balls. These are going to act as like the bubbles. You're also going to need some graham crackers. We're going to crush these down first before we do anything else. So let's move the cookie out of the way and the fish. Just take these. You can crush them a lot of different ways. You can put them in the food processor or whatever, but I'm going to put them in a plastic bag, let all the air out, zip it up, and just smash them into bits. Now that we have that done, let's come back to our cookie. Take some of that frosting, blue frosting here. Put a good amount on your cookie. And you want to cover the whole cookie. It's okay if it's not perfect because you want to make it look like the waves of the ocean anyway. Now we're going to come back to the graham crackers we just crushed. This is going to be the sand at the bottom of the ocean. Just going to put some in there and press it into it a little bit so it'll hold right at the bottom of the cookie. Then we can take our fish, our Swedish fish, push it into the frosting there. And our little chocolate balls that are yellow, these are going to be like the bubbles coming out of the fish's mouth. Just push them in there and let it go up towards the surface. And there you go, there's my ocean cookie. And now it's time for the taste test of our seaworthy cookies. That's good. I didn't think the graham crackers would be so good with the frosting and the cookie, but they are. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these cookies. It was a lot of fun and just goes with the whole theme of clean seas. So hopefully you can donate, and if you can, all the information is down below. Thanks a lot, and until then, I'll see you next time.